teach you how to make Disney style animations similar to this.
Mars Men boosted my gym progress by 10x. I never been this confident.
What you want to do is go on kuflow.com, go on app, new project, new image, a new text, GPT image 2. So first we need to create the storyboard. As an example, I'll be using this product here, but it can be any of your products, of course. And you also gonna be needing to upload the reference. It can be any reference you like. In my case, I got it from one of the ads that I like. It's real weird reference, but you just need to reference the style. You connect in this image, and text to GPT image 2. Describe the image. For example, Disney style. Muscular man is in the gym holding the product. 3D animation style. Let's make it like that. Let's go. Okay, we got the first generation. For this example, I'll be doing just for 2 different scenes, but of course it can be like as many as you like. So this is gonna be scene 1, and for the scene 2, I wanna like reference this exact guy, this product, and for the text, I'm gonna need the new text. So let's connect this here and type Disney guy, animation style, muscular man is in the park, for example, holding the product. Let's create it as well. So it generated the picture, but what I want to do is like make him in a different pose, specify. Let's do different clothing as well, just for an example's sake. So we got this second image. Nice, I like it. So what I want to do now is to animate them and make them say stuff. So let's copy text. Let's create. I usually recommend Clean 3, but Seedance is also really great, of course. So let's go Clean 3 for this case. Take this as the first frame, connect it in the first frame. Let's do second scene. Let's go connect this, its own text here too. I copy paste it, connect. It can be whatever you want. Like you want to be describing the video. It can even be like this guy walks there, does a push-up, like anything you want. But in this case, I'll be just a simple example. Muscular man saying, for example, Marsman boosted my gym progress by 10x. Let's make it like 5 seconds. Let's copy this here. I never been this confident. Just as an example. Let's make it 4 seconds. Let's make it, this one is 5 seconds is fine. Let's run. So that's the first clip.
Mars Men boosted my gym progress by 10x. I never been this confident.
Edit video, stitch videos. Let's connect this two with 1, this with 2. No transitions, run it.
Mars Men boosted my gym progress by 10x. I never been this confident.
Add subtitles, it's really nice. Let's set animation karaoke. This font size a little bit bigger. Font color, etc. is nice. Nice, let's do it.
Mars Men boosted my gym progress by 10x.
Nice.
I never been this confident.
Set up the settings, make sure it's in the safe zone, like safe zone of the Meta or whatever, of the TikTok. Also add the music, run.
Mars Men boosted my gym progress by 10x. I never been this confident.
Also, I know the tutorial is about the Disney style, but you can literally apply any style here, like make it as lengthy as you want, make it manipulate it in any way. Like if you're gonna have any questions, make sure to join my Discord, write the comments down here. Bye bye.